A lot of people have trouble deciding between the Universal Rider Waite and the Radiant Rider Waite decks when making perhaps their first classic tarot deck purchase. So I'm showing them side by side here to help you decide which might be best for you. There are a lot of similarities. Both are rooted in the same classic tarot tradition with 22 major and 56 minor arcana and use pretty much the same familiar themes and symbols that nearly all modern tarot readers learn from. Both decks draw from Pamela Coleman Smith's original artwork and are fully compatible with traditional spreads, meanings, interpretations, etc., making them excellent for all levels of tarot reading. Where they differ, as you're being shown here, is in their visual style and color presentation. The Universal Rider-Waite deck, recolored by Mary Hanson Roberts, keeps the original scenes soft, warm, and slightly muted in tone. Its colors are gentle and balanced, giving the imagery a classic, approachable feel that many readers find comforting and easy to read. And because the imagery has a slightly refined palette, this deck appeals to those who want a true foundational experience with standard tarot symbolism. Now, the Radiant Rider deck, on the other hand, takes the same classic composition and enhances them with a brighter, richer, more saturated color. Shadows, highlights, and gradients are intensified, which gives the cards a more luminous, vivid quality that can make details pop a little more during a reading. This visual punch can be helpful for intuitive readers who connect strongly with color cues and emotional energy, or for people who just want tarot imagery that looks dynamic and striking on camera or in spreads. I think you should pick the Universal Rider Waite if you want a soft, traditional visual language that feels welcoming and familiar, and choose the Radiant Rider Waite if you love bold, bright imagery and want a deck that feels vivid and expressive, especially on first glance, or if you prefer visuals that stand out in photos or videos. Or be like me and get them both. Personally, however, if I had to pick one, it would be the Universal. I prefer the classic look for the imagery here. And by the way, both decks are much better than the original deck, in my opinion. The original one with the unfinished, unrefined illustrations of garish colors and that plaid background. I think at the end of the day, though, it's all about personal taste and preference. So good luck choosing.